welcome to today's video. Today I am going to share with you our once a week grocery haul, and I'm also going to clean out the fridge. It's way over there. And then I'm going to do some nesting, and yeah, I just take you along on my day as a mom to 4, soon 5 kids. A little baby bump. 36 weeks pregnant now, so ready to pop anytime soon. I am back home now. This is Sunday's grocery haul. I haven't calculated how much I spent yet. I'll do that very soon. And also share our meal plan. Today I'm going to make some meatballs with this pork and this kale flour and potatoes somewhere there. I'm so tired today, it's so crazy. I've been outside in the car in the grocery stores and bringing Haley to the birthday and back again for almost 6 hours, so I'm pretty dead now. And yeah, I also got some diapers for our little new baby boy, so it's kind of closing in now. I think that I'm going to be induced in 2 or 3 weeks if he's not here before that. So that is very, very exciting. And yeah, I also got this head and shoulders from my hospital bag, so I have one if I need to stay there. And yeah, we got stuck up on some fruit. Some grapes, bananas, apples, and yeah, then I also got some salad and some ice cream. But yeah, I'm going to make some dinner now, and then I'll share with you tomorrow what we're going to, or what we are buying tomorrow for this week's grocery haul, because of course this is not everything that we're going to need for a whole week. I also got some new used shoes for Haley. I don't know what she has done, but her feet were totally wet when she pulled them out of her boots, and it's kind of spring anyway, so we found these. All the stores, sorry, I'm eating candy. All the stores were closed. All the stores were closed. I can't talk right now. All the stores were closed, so we could not buy some new, so we found these used ones on Facebook Marketplace. So this is the clothes I got. These shirts, I got them for almost nothing. These were less than $1 each, and Logan is such a fan of dinosaurs right now, so that's perfect. And then I got some leggings for Haley and some shorter ones for spring, summer, and this cute hoodie, Hogwarts with an owl. And then I got this dress for Haley. I'm thinking she can wear it for Liam's confirmation in May. I think it's so cute. I really love this color, light blue. I don't know if you can see it. So this is part 2 of the grocery haul. It is Monday now, and it has been a quite expensive week this week, but we also did buy, this is ground beef, more meat than we're going to use this week. And also for the first time I bought diapers for 2 kids, and I also bought diapers for more than 1 week. And I also guess we have toilet paper for more than 1 week. He's playing with cars. And yeah, then we also got some lasagna here. It's for when I'm going to deliver the baby. Then grandma has these, and also the meat here, and another easy option here. And yeah, we ended up spending $367 this week. It's crazy. It's 2,350 Danish, something like that. So quite an expensive week, and there was also a few items Mikkel didn't get today, so it's going to be even more expensive. But again, we have some items for the upcoming week as well, so we'll see how it goes. I hope that next week is going to be cheap, and maybe the week after that as well, but we'll see. So I'll go ahead and take out some meat from the freezer and put it in the microwave to defrost, and then I'll go ahead and put on a load of laundry, and then we gotta do something about this fish. So I got this laundry hanging here, and I have some over here that has to go into the dryer, but it's occupied right now. So I'll go ahead and empty the fridge now. I have a goal that says that I have to do this every Sunday, and it's Monday today, so my track record is not the best. So I just emptied this bottom drawer here, and I have to clean it now, obviously. And this is all the stuff that was in it. And I have to look at the carrots to find out which one to give to the animals. But otherwise everything here is actually okay. And then I have some stuff over here for the chickens. I didn't know I had this broccoli, actually. So it must have been sitting there for more than a week. So I just washed this under the sink as well, or in the sink. And now I'll go ahead and put fruits and veggies in here, and then we'll see how much space that's going to take up. Okay, we've got a lot of salad here, and a lot of veggies, so this is not very pretty, but it functions. And now let's see what we're going to do up here. The top shelf is going to be milk, probably this one as well, and then we have to declutter this one. I'm not totally sure how it happened, but I made everything fit in here. I had to rearrange the drawer here, so the fruit and veggies are over here, because I have the yogurts here, and these they have to stand up, otherwise they leak. And yeah, this is some meatballs from yesterday. We're using those for sandwiches, and also some chicken for sandwiches. Then we have the deli, things for French toast, and some more meat in here, some ham we're going to use tomorrow for dinner, and a lot of butter for cookies and stuff, and of course the milk. And then I have 3 of these juices as well. So got everything to be in here, and then I have some stuff for the chickens now. Then Miguel brought this pram in here, and I'm going to wash all the stuff, the mattresses and things in here, so they are ready for baby. So I think that I'll go ahead and end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me. I enjoyed making this video. I'm so excited for baby to come. And yeah, I hope that I'll see you again in the next video. And don't forget to say hello down in the comment section. I will love that. Good night, everybody.